In this video, I want to show you the two fuse box locations on your Dodge Journey, no matter which model year it is. Most people will search on the driver footwell, but unfortunately Dodge put it on the other side, on the passenger side. So let's go there and then I'll show you the second location. So over here we have the glove box, and if we go down, there is a bit of carpeting, okay? And right over here there is the fuse box, the first one. You see the cover, it has a diagram telling you which fuse is which, so it could be very useful. To remove this cap, okay, what I had to do, it's held over here, you see, by a clip. Take a screwdriver and try to unlock it this way, okay, because you see this goes around that thing, and simply by putting a screwdriver and pushing like this, it will unclip the door, and here we go, you have access to your fuse box. Now let's go to the second location, which is under the hood. So under the hood, you're going to go on the right side, and this is our fuse box. If you open the lid, again, it's clipped here, and you just need to push on these tabs to unlock it. You're going to have a diagram on the other side telling you which fuse is which, and you're going to have all of them over here with some relays as well. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below.